Hey, I'm Justin.
And I'm Allie. After spending a year building out our tiny home on wheels, we decided to head to Florida for some sun. Today we celebrate Justin's 25th birthday with a snorkeling trip to Peanut Island.
Thank you guys, have a good one.
So we bought this snorkeling gear for Justin's birthday, thanks Mom and Dad, but we really haven't had the opportunity to use it properly because a lot of times it's expensive for a boat ride. We actually found these ferries to Peanut Island though, and they're 12 bucks per person, so super affordable, and that means we can actually test this stuff out.
So they told us for snorkeling the best time is 3 hours before or 3 hours after high tide. So they don't open till 10. High tide is at, like right now it's at like 8 in the morning, and then they close at 5. So there's already a line when we got here. So if you're gonna go snorkeling, it's probably good to get here early so you can try to get on one of the early boats to make it in time.
Another 2. Please straight back on the back bench, guys. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
So we're on Peanut Island, formerly known as Inlet Island. They changed the name because it was supposed to be a stopping point for the transportation of peanut oil. It never ended up being that, but it's a cute name.
And so it's actually a dredging dump. That's how the island was made. And so since it was founded in the early 1900s, it's grown almost 10 times the size because it's continuously being dumped with more dredging stuff.
So in the 90s, this used to be a big party spot. You could just come here and drink all day.
Yeah, pretty much no rules, anything goes. Pretty wild spot.
Then they put a park here to kind of tame it down a little bit. And now you can come snorkeling, kayaking, swimming, just exploring the park.
Supposedly it still gets pretty wild on the weekends, but it's a little more tame since the county stepped in.
Speaking of all these fun activities, let's go snorkeling.
All right. Let's do it. Got done snorkeling and we were worried the visibility wasn't going to be good because our last experience in this area, the visibility was horrible. We couldn't see anything except jellyfish in front of your face. But it was awesome. We even saw a starfish, barracuda, a bunch of fish schooling up on the rocks. It was very cool.
It was super awesome too because you could literally swim up to the fish.
Yeah,
and
like
they wouldn't move. Like it
literally
was so
swimming
cool.
into the school, yeah.
Yeah, it was just amazing. So far, 10 out of 10, recommend Peanut Island. We are loving it here, and we haven't even explored the island yet.
I don't know if you all have this problem, but I have the hardest time opening bananas.
I'm his banana opener. Babe, it's already open too.
Well, I just ripped it the wrong direction.
Look how easy that was. Here you go, birthday boy.
Thank you.
As you can see behind me, it definitely gets busier the later in the day. So get here early, because we got here earlier and there was not as many people out.
So we just came from the beach. It's a whole little island. There's like a walking trail around it. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit and see what we see.
Yeah. We didn't really bring any lunch, so we're gonna go ahead and see if maybe the island has like a restaurant or something. Also has to be gluten-free, so this might be hard.
Yeah.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So far striking out on the food. Wow, look how clear the water is.
The world in action.
Our trek for food continues. And now we're starting to get a little bit sunburned. And we're out of sunscreen. So this is becoming a little bit of an I shouldn't be alive situation.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living.
I'm kind of feeling like we made a mistake for not bringing any food.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, it is looking like we are going to strike out on the food hunt on the island.
This was something else we were reading about. These like reddish barked trees. They're called touristy trees because they look like they have a sunburn. Do we match? I do see vending machines over there, and that's better than nothing, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, this is nuts. I don't think that we can get anything from there.
Doesn't look very populated. There's a tree growing out of the vending machine. Not a very good sign. We are making do with what we've got.
Yep.
There's no food on this island.
We literally walked around the entire thing. So bring food if you come here. This will be good though. I'm happy we at least have something.
That's right.
Well, it has been fun, but I think the hunger's got the best of us, so.
Yeah, we're gonna head back, take the ferry back to or the shuttle, whatever, back to the mainland, and go look for some chow.
Here comes the shuttle.
And we are back. She still stands. So we successfully made it back to the van. Now, we've got to find showers.
Before we do that though, we need food. And we just happen to have spinach artichoke dip and these delicious crackers. Where did you put those? Or where did I put those? These gluten-free, everything baked crackers. So good. 10 out of 10. You know what they make this better? McCoy's. I found a spot on iOverlander. It's just a beach shower, but that's better than a parking lot. So we are going to head that way so we can get dinner ready. All showered and ready to go. So we are heading off to a seafood restaurant for Justin's birthday dinner.
Wow.
Do you think my foot would fit? Cheers. How was it? Was it a good day?
It was a good day. I'll say so. Got a little bit of sunburn. Got some food in our bellies. Hey,
Finally.
all
Well,
in all, good day.
I think this is where we're going to go ahead and end the vlog though. So if you do like it, give it a giant thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button because we upload new videos every week.
That's right. If you're ever in the Peanut Island area of Palm Beach, check it out. Totally worth it.
Amazing.
Do some snorkeling and high tide.